Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can earn PayPal money free 2022, or if you're looking for PayPal money free app or websites, then keep watching the video till the end. As you can see, we are on this website where it says earn free points, claim free gift cards. Okay, so obviously if you're trying to earn some PayPal money free, you have to go and work on some third-party websites or download some apps and then collect some rewards and points. So I'm sure you know how it works, but I will go ahead and give you the whole idea how this website is going to pay you. And if you scroll down here, you can see this is a PayPal, so you can go and cash out your points from these gift cards. Okay, you can either choose to go with Amazon gift card, PayPal, but in this video we're going to focus on PayPal, and the minimum deposit is, or sorry, not deposit, minimum withdrawal is going to be 20 bucks. Okay, in some cases they have 5 bucks minimum requirement, but mostly it will be 20 bucks. Okay, so I'll show you everything how to work on this website. All right, and for now, just go ahead, subscribe to my channel. Okay, if you're new to my channel, go below the video, hit the subscribe button, like the video, press the bell notification. Okay, and in case if you want to make more money without actually depending on some third-party websites, okay, so in case if you want to do exactly what I do, you want to have a YouTube channel and get it monetized, you want to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours instantly or within 2 weeks, okay, then go and check out the first link below my video here. It says make money with traffic jarvis. Okay, so this will help you to make real money, and the whole process will be in your control. You can do anything you like. Okay, so we'll talk about the traffic jarvis and all these links which you see here. We'll talk about them in the end, not right now. Right now, let's go ahead and start the video. So this is a website, and I have an account on this website already. This website has been there since 2016, so I have confirmed that. If you go on this website called whois.com, okay, on whois.com you can type in any domain name, click on this magnifying glass, and it shows that this website, by the way, the name of the website is pointsprices.com. okay, pointsprices.com. So they have been in business since 2016, which means it's almost 6 years old website. So obviously they have been in business. And apart from that, if you see here on SimilarWeb, here you can see they are $1 million company. Okay, so they are like doing business in millions. You can trust them. And the traffic you can see here, they are getting hundreds and thousands of visitors every month. Where is that? Let me show you the data. It's trying to load here. So you can see that most of the traffic is coming from France because they are headquartered in France. Then we have China and Brazil and everything. Okay, so if you see here the traffic, the last month they were I think the last month traffic they got was, I think I lost it, let me just go back. Okay, here you go. Right, here you go. So last month visits were 153.3 thousand. Okay, so K means 1,000, right? So super busy website, and average view duration is 5 minutes. So that means people do spend time on this website. Okay, now let's get inside the website. So once you sign up, or let me show you how do you sign up. So you go at the top on pointsprices.com, you click on here, and then you put in your email, agree to the terms, click on this button, and once you do that, they will sign up your account and you're logged in. Okay, so you see here I'm logged in. I have collected 20 points so far. I have earned 20 points so far. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you simply need to click on earn here. Once you click on earn, then you can choose the network. Okay, so for example, we have so many networks and options to choose from, and if I click on the first one here, I will get the options to do some surveys, I guess. Yes, if I do these surveys, I can collect these points. Okay, second network is Lootably. So if I click here, you will see these options, like you can do surveys, you can earn money from one click, you can earn money, I think, by downloading apps as well, or you can earn money simply by watching some videos. Okay, so you can see here, you click on these videos, you earn money and you collect your points. Okay, let me see if I can click on this third one, Peanut Labs. What offers do we have here? Let's see. Oh, we got some surveys here. Okay, so I will skip that for now, but this is the whole point. Okay, because if you are coming online, you have to go and use some third-party websites. Okay, and you have to do some micro tasks. Okay, micro tasks mean you do some surveys and you earn some points. Okay, and by the way, if you don't know how much you need to work before you can get paid, so you have to work for at least 3,000 points. Okay, so they will give you $20 in return of 3,000 points. Okay, So right now you can see on my account I have 30 points only. So if I want to go and cash this out and get the PayPal money, I have to work and collect these 3,000 points. Okay. The good thing about this website is that it's worldwide. So if you see here, they accept members from all the countries worldwide. Okay. Instant payout. So as soon as you have 3,000 points, you can cash them in $20 PayPal gift card, or maybe they can transfer the money directly to your PayPal account as well. Okay, you have to go and check them out. I mean, you can go and check this out with them, but I think you can get the PayPal card, and then if you get the PayPal card, you can still cash it out using PayPal. Just go and check this out on your own. You can always contact the support. If you go here inside, I think help section, or maybe earn here. I think somewhere I saw the support box. Okay, so you can always click here and you can contact them, right? Now, anything else I have to talk about here? No, nothing really. So it's pretty simple. Okay, you earn daily bonuses. So the more time you spend, if you are visiting this website regularly, you're completing your tasks regularly every day, you can earn your daily bonuses as well. Okay, now I think this is good enough for you to go and check out this website. However, let me go ahead and talk about the real deal here. The real deal is, what do you think? How much money will you make if you go on this website or on these kind of websites? Okay, so let's say you go and do surveys all day, or you go and watch videos all day. How many points will you be collecting? I guess maybe 100 points, 200 points a day. So to get those 20 bucks, how much you have to work? I guess you have to work maybe 10 days. Okay, if you have to work for 10 days to get 20 bucks, I would say it's not worth your time. It's not worth my time. It's not worth anybody's time. Okay, but it depends which country you're coming from. Okay, if 20 bucks in $10 is too, is like enough for you, then you may go and try doing these micro tasks. Okay, but if you are willing to go and take the control in your hands, that okay, I don't want to depend on some third-party websites to pay me. I want I want to make my own money. Okay, because if you ask me, I am the kind of a person who do not want to rely on somebody else to pay me. Okay, how do I make my money? I make money by creating these kind of review videos. Okay, because you might have noticed that in the beginning you have seen some ads. Okay, so those ads makes me money, and those ads will only show up in YouTube videos if your YouTube channel is monetized. Okay, and to get your YouTube channel monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And to get there, it could be a nightmare. Okay, so if you want to actually make money on YouTube without doing these surveys, stuff like that, okay, so if you really want to take control of everything back in your hands, okay, then okay, I'll wake up in the morning, I'll make YouTube videos, and next day I'll get paid by YouTube. Okay, so if you want the simple process, how does all this work? Okay, because when you go online, right, when you go on the internet, you see people making YouTube videos all day long, and they're asking, or they're telling you that you go on these 5 websites, or you go and download these 10 apps and they will make you money. Well, the bottom line is, it might make you $1 or $2 here and there. Okay, but those people who are telling you to go and download those 10 apps or 5 websites, visit, okay, those people are actually making a video. They are making a YouTube video, and that YouTube video is making money for them. Okay, so if you really want to have a full-time business, you will have to make YouTube videos. Okay, or maybe the second option is email marketing, right? So it's all about traffic, guys. Okay, if you know what traffic is, then you have to go and grow your traffic. Traffic means you need to find people who will buy something from you, or they will watch your content. Okay, so I will go ahead and show you how you can make real money without doing these micro tasks. Okay, only for people who are serious. Okay, so let's click on this first link here where it says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Once we click on this link here, you will see 2 options. It says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Okay, option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is this Traffic Jarvis YouTube. Okay, let me talk about email marketing for a little bit, and then I will go and talk about YouTube. Okay, so this email marketing system, this one, it says here it will give you 100 leads per day. Okay, now what you will be getting here is you will be getting 100 email leads every day, or 3,000 leads every month. Okay, and you can go ahead and send emails to these 100 people every day as well. Okay, with the same system, so you don't have to go and buy anything else from outside. These people will also give you the autoresponder, which means every day you will be collecting 100 leads, and you will be able to send emails to them as well. Okay, so you can go ahead and start doing email marketing. For this, you don't have to make YouTube videos. You can do this in backend. Okay, you can just go ahead and start collecting 100 leads per day, and within 4 or 5 months you will have 10,000 leads or more, and you will be making a little bit of money by selling some products. Okay, so this is called affiliate marketing. And the second option, or maybe proofs, okay, I'll show you some proofs here. So you can see they have 15,000, they have made 15,000 with the system. I have made a little bit of money here. These are the proofs, okay? And what you need to do is click on this video, then on the next page you go ahead and enter your name and email address and click on watch free video here, okay? Then you go into your inbox, and once you go into your inbox, then you go ahead and click on the verification link. Once you click on verify, then it will take you to the video. Then go and watch the video and then take action, okay? And again, secondly, the second option was YouTube, okay? So if I come here and this traffic Jarvis, you can see here, this will help you to make money on YouTube just the way I do, all right? So this traffic Jarvis will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks, and then get your YouTube channel monetized. And after that, it's your job to make videos and make money, okay? And inside traffic Jarvis, you will learn everything, how to make videos, what kind of videos to make, which videos will give you maximum money, okay? And you can see here, this is the money I have made just by uploading these videos, all right? So what do you do? And this is the money I have made by promoting some products, okay? So if you want to learn how to go and make this kind of money, like 806 here, 986 here, if you don't know how to make money by promoting other people's product like this one, then you go below my video and check out the second link here. This Kiss Shacking will teach you, Kiss Shacking stands for Keep It Simple Stupid, okay? Kiss Shacking will teach you exactly how to go and do some reviews and make some money on YouTube, okay? But anyways, if you want to make money without selling anything, just like this kind of money, then you have to go and get your YouTube channel monetized and then get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours first before that, okay? And then get it monetized and then start uploading videos and make money, okay? So yes, go ahead and check out the first link below the video. If you are really serious about making money online for full time, click on the first link, come on this page, then you can try this email marketing system, or you can try YouTube. Personally, I will recommend YouTube because this traffic Jarvis is my own training course. I have created it, so if you need any help, you can contact me for traffic Jarvis, okay? So go and check out these two options here. It is only for people who want to make money, online real money, okay? Like thousands of dollars, okay? I'm not talking about making $2 here, $3 here. This is a real business, so get into it if you are really serious, all right? Otherwise, you can go to these websites like Points, Prizes, and you can do surveys and you can keep watching videos the rest of your life. So technically, you will be trading your time, and that will actually get you nowhere, okay? So these websites are third-party websites. You know that very well. They are not in your control. You never know when they can block your account. You never know when you will be paid, when they will reject your points as well, okay? So this process is never in control. What is in your control is you can make your own YouTube videos. People will watch those videos. You will get views. You will get to YouTube will get to show some ads and you will get paid, okay? So I guess so far everything is clear. So just go ahead, subscribe to my channel, share the video, like the video, leave your comments and questions if you have any, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.